Asuban no aisirereng akinyeta no akelesia ka Isaseredotin alimor atutuketa kech kedelo kasuban kesi ejain kinos osabiti loka launan kotoma asuban kano abu episcopi loko soroti diocese right reverend Dr. Joseph Eciru Oliach Ejulujul Isaseredotin akaulo abagat alomun etwana reverend Father Alex Ben Odekei erasi akaisare kaluni o lapalo yaret o karulo ilukumini yare keda kaisare kedi wongon.
We all know the tragedy that befell us about a month ago with the demise of Father Alex Odekei. So that left Kachumbala shepherdless, and the community has been asking what next. Father Stephen Riso will move from Amuchu to Kachumbala. Father Kalemba Matia Auke will leave Divine Mercy Aminit and will go to Good Shepherd Opunoi. Father Itiamata James will leave Good Shepherd Opunoi and go to St. John Paul II Cathedral. Father Matthias Ochamuna will move to Divine Mercy Aminit. Father Robert Amoni will temporarily move from St. Pancras to Amuch temporarily. Meanwhile, the Dean of Toroma, our senior Father Dimon Okela, will temporarily take care of St. Pancras, Toroma. Father Lawrence Akepa will take up the pastoral care of St. Joseph the Waka, Kamila Khan, to allow our brother Father Paul Ebulu some time to attend to his health. Father Paul will now go and rest in Uganda Matters Polytechnic Institute, where he will be offering some chaplaincy services at the same time.
Episkopi ngesi Abu Kilip ikristayon ailipanakin Isaseredotin kosodete aisach aomom kanu aiswamainikin Isaseredotin nu arokok.
So whenever you see a priest passing, whom you see another Christ passing. That's why you should run and ask him for a blessing, because that is a priest, an extension of Christ passing. And above all, pray for them and support them. Do you promise to do that? Yes. And never join those who plan evil against the priest. Because instead of receiving blessings, what will they receive?
Episkopi ngesi Abu Kilip ikristayon akerikin arerengusho kane ejiasi Isaseredotin.
Suya juga. Oke, kakek. Dikorakai. Liu kiri pakai tipe dia biai. Suya juga dia biai. Aku mau waktu itu kita punya. Yo mana kau tahu? Oke, Rik. Dikorakai. Oke, Rik. Ayo ni boleh. Asulian. So that the good will triumph over evil.
Reverend Father Joseph Akiso lo arucho kinitno aitemono kineta kano asuban kano ngesi Abu Isumun episkopi ebe kwape isomero ilu atulik epote kesi aigang adukio na Regina Cheli Cathedral na ejai aminit.
We have also pledged to support the building of the Regina Cheli Cathedral. So just give us space during this celebration. We are going to surprise you. This celebration has been sponsored largely by schools, education institutions.
Apollo somero Teso College Aloet, Julius Opaso, lo arai Apollo Kinton etimulo etemono kine asubanano, ngesi Abu Elimok Episkopi ebe, kwape isomeroi, epote kesi da I made down, kotoma Regina Cheli, neda apotu etukunatar, apiai, milioni niyare, kedi lukumin akwatangon, kosodete, atukun asumuneta, nu edolete, milionin itomonangon, kede ilukumin akwataka nyauni.
We have mobilized cash of 2.4 million from Clergy teachers. You are not the one to tell me in advance. This is just the cash with the treasurer has at hand. up to the tune of 148 plots in pledges. This is equivalent to 14.8 million. It is within the pockets of these habitats. And our Patagonia want to assure you that within the shortest possible time, we shall have mobilized that money and we shall have paid you accordingly. Indeed, this is a sacred gathering. This sacred gathering is a testament to the strength and unity of our faith within our educational institution.
Kanuka TV East, Habat Paul Eyoku, Koibuga Soroti.